of my eyelashes just fell out. Fantastic start. Ugh. Oh my god, one of my eyelash just fell out. Hello and welcome back to my beauty salon. So I was pretty happy with how my hair turned out the other day. However, when I put it up, I've just got a stripe down the middle of my head. Considering it actually went all right, I might do a little bit more to my hair and maybe add some more highlights throughout the rest of it to make it look a little bit more normal when I've got it in a ponytail. How is everyone holding up? How are you doing? It seemed as though like I'm not going out for the foreseeable future. I thought I would stay home and do some more experimenting on myself. A couple of weeks back, I actually ordered my own lash lift kit on Amazon. This was actually before we went into lockdown, so I'm kind of glad that I ordered this because I have actually seen other people do this and it's been kind of successful. And also I thought it would give you guys some entertainment. If you're stuck at home and you're watching YouTube videos, hopefully you enjoy. Also, if you're enjoying my channel, would love it if you subscribe, press the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, give this a thumbs up because that really helps me out. And if you have any other suggestions for things that you want me to do to myself, let me know in the comments. Probably wouldn't recommend you trying this at home because it probably is a bit dangerous. If you don't trust yourself to do it, don't do it. Do I trust myself to do it? Do you guys trust me to do it? I don't know, but we'll give it a go. Well, wish me luck. I just went on my phone and got distracted and completely, like, legitimately forgot that I was filming a video. And I just looked up and the camera's been rolling for 7 minutes and I've just been sitting here. By the way, this is the no makeup that I've been wearing recently. It is literally just mixing my SPF. At the moment I'm using the CeraVe one, is that how you say it? With this Maybelline foundation, which has also got SPF 50 in it. It's the Dream Urban Cover Foundation. And then I've just been putting a bit of Benefit Gimme Brow through my brows. That is my current no makeup routine that makes me feel a little bit better about myself and is also extremely minimal effort. So I do normally tint my own eyelashes anyway, like just for fun, because they're naturally blonde. Last time I tinted them was like a few weeks ago. They're still a little bit black. So these are what my lashes look like beforehand with nothing on them. So I got this kit on Amazon. It looks like this. You get all the little different solutions and perming lotions and stuff in here. I have gone and watched a bunch of people's videos on YouTube with their tips and tricks and stuff because I didn't want to get this wrong because it is like my eyes. Although on the back of here, right, it says there's a bunch of different things. It says apply the eye pads under the eyelids to protect your skin from the lotions. There's no eye pads in here. On one of the stages it says to cover your eyes with the plastic wrap, but there is no plastic wrap in here, and I'm also not going to do that because no one else that I've watched on YouTube has done that part. So I was watching this one girl and she said to get a bunch of Q-tips or cotton buds as we call them in the UK and cut the ends off, although these ones are made of wood. Okay, so that's not going to be possible. Okay, well that worked. And she uses this little stick to like apply the solution to her eyelids, her eyelashes. Step 1, use the cleanser to remove the oil, dust and makeup residue. So I'm just gonna dip my cotton bud in here and I'm just gonna use this to like clean my eyelids because I do have a bit of my tinted moisturizer mix on here. Oh, one of my eyelashes just fell out. Fantastic start. Put glue on the eye pads and place it onto the upper part of the eyelid and make sure it is stayed. So these are, I'm guessing, the lift pads. Let me just get, oh, they do have different sizes. Let me get them out and have a look. Ooh, they're really weird. Right, so let me figure out. I think the smallest ones are for minimum amount of curl, I'm guessing. I think you have to pick these depending on like the length of your eyelashes, but you have to like stick them on like this. So those are the small ones. God, there's so many different ones. Why is there so many? This is just confusing. What is the difference between all of these? Oh, well that's good. There's not even an even number. I've only got one of the L. Great. Okay, well I guess that one's ruled out. This was the biggest. Whoa, look at that. And then you stick your lashes to the... No. Whose eyelashes are gonna be this long? Let's go with the M1 size. Apply glue on the put glue on the eye pads and place it on the upper part of the eyelid. So I've got to use lash glue to stick this to my eyelid as close to my lashes as possible. Ugh. Okay, do I put it on the pad or my eye? I'm just gonna wait for that to go tacky. I just have a feeling this is gonna go horribly wrong. Okay, so stick it to your eyelid. This is kind of uncomfortable. I'm guessing I do these one at a time so I can actually see. This feels really weird. Apply glue on the eyelashes to keep it stuck to the lift pads for 1 minute. So I'm supposed to stick my eyelashes to this pad. Oh yeah, okay, that's starting to stick. Wow, this looks so weird. Uh-oh, wow, who knew I had so many eyelashes on one eye? That should be enough glue, they just need to stick. I'm gonna use this little like metal cuticle stick thing that I've got to just try and separate them a bit. They keep just peeling off. So this is what it's looking like. They keep like peeling off. Perfect. So now they're stuck, it says, use perm lotion 1 on the eyelashes, then cover your eyes with a plastic wrap. When I saw this other girl do this, so she used the end of this, wait, what have I even done with it? She used one of these stick things to kind of spread it out, but she didn't put it all the way to the tips of her lashes because then she said that it makes the glue come unstuck. So this is perming lotion 1 and I'm taking a bit of this on my stick. This is really hard, I can't really like see you very well right now. And I'm just applying some of this onto my lashes. Oh, this stuff smells so bad. Right folks, I can't even look up because I feel like this whole thing is just gonna peel off my eye. I will see you in 10 minutes. There's a few little hairs that just aren't sticking. I might just hold them here for 10 minutes. Right, okay, the timer has just gone off for 10 minutes. My eyes are actually really starting to sting and they're starting to water, so maybe I shouldn't continue with this, but I'm gonna anyway. Next step, you remove the perm lotion 1 with Y brush. What is Y brush? Is it what's in here? This says clean tool. This looks like a Y brush. How do I remove it with this? I've seen other girls remove the lotion with just like a cotton bud. Okay, so I'm just scraping it off. Ow, that's sharp. I don't have anything to wipe it on. Some of my eyelashes came unstuck, so I kind of, oh my god, my eyelash just fell out. One of my eyelashes has just come out. Oh, I'm scared. What am I actually gonna do if they all just fall out? Then it says, apply fixing agent 2 on the eyelash, then cover your eyes with a plastic wrap. I'm just gonna use a cotton bud to try and like get off the rest of that. Number 2, which is called fixation. This one is blue. Probably should have prepared this a minute ago. Oh, that one was way more easy. See, yeah, that's just gone off into my room. Okay, applying the blue lotion. Oh, some of my eyelashes have come unstuck. Oh no, they're all coming unstuck. So apparently I just leave this for 10 minutes and then I'll be back. This is really uncomfortable. It is really not a very comfortable process, to be honest, because I feel like you can't open your eye and it just feels really annoying. This better work after all of this.
2,000 years later.
Oh my god, I've got like 30 seconds left. Okay, 20 seconds left. My eye is actually starting to water and burn. Oh my god, I need to get this off. My eye is actually burning. Ow. Oh my god, it is stinging so bad. Oh. That is a tear. It says use the cleanser to get it off. I'm literally like right, it then says blah 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 blah. Remove the lift pads from the upper part of your eyelid, then use the nutrition lotion to nourish your eyelashes. The nutrition lotion is just some oil. I'm gonna use the oil to actually try and get it off so that I don't rip out my eyelashes. Oh, I've just realised I've got to do this all again. That took me forever. I probably should have done it at the same time, but then also I probably wouldn't be able to see. So, and I'm just gonna try and use this to get my eyelashes off of the glue. Oh, well my eyelid feels really weird. I feel like it's changed the shape of my eye. Oh, it's because the glue is just stuck my skin together. Well, my eye might be stinging, but they definitely look more lifted. Oh my god. Okay, wow, that actually looks really good. Look at it compared to this eye. My eye is still burning though, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it really stings. I think it just looks extra red because I just took it off. That definitely worked, didn't it? Like, if you compare it to the other side, I really need to get this glue off because it's sticking my eyelids together. I'm gonna go and do this eye now. Wish me luck, and I'll see you on the other side. So, I'm back. I've just done the other eye. I actually think this eye worked a bit better than this eye. They look pretty good. To be honest, my eyelashes do feel a little bit crusty. At the moment, I've just smothered them in that oil that comes with the kit. And I think, like, there is no aftercare instructions on here. But I'm pretty sure when you get your lashes lifted in like an actual beauty salon. They tell you to not get your lashes wet for 24 hours, and I think you're supposed to like make sure that every few days you put on some oil, so I'm going to continue moisturising them over the next few days. I did also just put a bit more of the foundation back on my eyelids so they looked a little bit less red because they looked kind of scary. These are my lashes after the DIY lash lift. I think they look really good. They definitely look so much more curled than they did at the start. Whether or not this will last, we will find out over the next few weeks. I've decided I'm not actually going to tint them today just because my eyes are feeling quite sore. As in like my actual eyelids feel quite sore. I think just from all of the like, I guess the chemicals, the products. I do have quite sensitive eyes, so I probably should not have done this at home. But yeah, just because my eyelids are feeling a little bit sore today, and also I had to like rub on my eyelids quite hard to get all the lash glue off because it was really sticky still. I think I'm going to leave the dyeing process for another day, but they are already still like pretty tinted from the last time I did it, and just lifting them has made the lashes look so much better. I think they look really good, and it was actually relatively easy. The only annoying bit was that when you put on some of the solution, like a few of my lashes kept like peeling off, and then I would have to like try and stick them back on again. But I'm actually really happy with the results. I think they look really nice, and if you want to see if my lashes stay okay and continue to stay curled and not fall out of my face, then make sure you subscribe because I'm filming this on Sunday. I don't have any videos pre-filmed, so any video from now on is going to be my lashes after the lash lift. So I guess just check back in with my future videos and you'll see how they're holding up. At the moment, they're great. We'll see if my eyelashes will fall out tomorrow. I'm just going to answer a question of the day. If you guys have got any questions for me, leave them down below with the hashtag question of the day, as always. Oh my god, on my previous video, I've got 999 comments. 999, what's your emergency? Today's question comes from Mariam Mortada, and she said, what is a makeup product that you have never tried and you want to try it? And I love you so much. Thank you very much. One makeup product that I've seen loads of people use recently that's been around for years, but I've never tried it because it's kind of really bougie. It's the Chanel cream bronzer. It's called like Soleil Tan de Chanel, I think, or that's what it was previously called. I've seen loads of people using that recently. Never tried it. It was like a cult product years ago, and I kind of really want to try it now that I'm a bit more into like cream bronzers because I love the Huda Beauty one. If anyone has tried the Chanel cream bronzer, let me know if I need to try it because it's pricey, but it just looks really nice. Right, I'm gonna end this here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching me struggle but also actually turn out with something decent. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to continue on this journey of me doing things to myself. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!